water. What does the water do? Splash! Does the water go splash? Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash. Yummy? Unless you want to take that bubble from the bubble machine. Are you going to see?
I put mustard on that one and that one. It's like strutting up his feet, it was so funny. I was like, thank you. And then she's like, I thought you told me like, she's like,
It's quite tight, isn't it?
Oh, you're telling me.
Oh, Janie, Angie, beautiful.
Kids are staying in the car, right?
There should be two sleeping bags, a pink one and a green one.
there's a few kids in here now.
Hates it, isn't she? Yeah, she doesn't have it.
Don't go forgetting your bouquet this time.
No flower, no hassle today.
Driving around.
Oh, you're naked. You're ready to cut off your nugget. There we go, that's the helping. The hell did Mel put that thing in your head for? Hmm? Do you want to go and see Granny? Look. Oh, clever.
That's a big girl, your Bonnie.
Dad, put on your bow.
Bonnie.
Look. You're meant to keep that on your hair. You don't comb on your look. Eh? You want to take it with you?
On your hand.
Wipe your nose with it though. No,
No.
she's going to fancy
Anyway,
that thing.
Wait for Mum.
Ready?
Thanks, it's not something I normally go for actually. My dress for later.
Here we go. Do you want that?
Back here for
Do you want that in the back though? Hello. Well, you know where you're going. You might as well just head down there.
So, good afternoon everyone, and a very warm welcome to you all at Westerton on this really special day to introduce and welcome Janie Ann Milne to the world. We're here today to celebrate her arrival and to welcome her with love into our lives. We are also here to acknowledge her given name and to wish her well as she grows. This ceremony is also a celebration of Sam and Andrina's new family life together. And as you can tell from their choice of names for their daughter, family is a really important thing for them.
Janie, we promise to help you grow and learn, to help you understand the difference between right and wrong, to fill your days with laughter, to chase away things that go bump in the night, to be there when you scrape your knees or just need a cuddle, to encourage you to be all you can be and always love you unconditionally.
And here's the rabbit. Can I put the rabbit in too? See what you're doing? A big rabbit? That was from Fiona. She's
all the time, Betty. She's just on the go.
Yeah, she will be.
But you're a lucky lady.
Oh, definitely, dear.
Yes.
She comes to me usually twice a week.
All right.
Mummy's going back to work, you see, so.
Oh, well, it'll be a girl's day now rather than
Yes,
boys.
which is fine.
Yes.
That's Granny's dress.
Yes, and we'll just
No,
put
what's
your
that?
fingers through the holes there.
Janie, I wish you such a happy life that's jam-packed full of fun, adventures, friendships, laughter and love, and picnics in the sun. I wish you a courageous life with no dreams left untried, so that whichever path you take, you'll always walk with pride. I wish you an accomplished life that celebrates your wins, but lets you know the equal joy of simply joining in. But most of all, I wish for you the moment that you choose, your name is given, but who you'll be is completely down to you.
No, that was lovely. One, two, three.
Oh yes. Forever.
Sam and Andrina, this handfast symbolises your hope and your expectation that together you are greater than you are individually. You are interwoven by the vows you made at your wedding with love, encouragement and kindness. Do you both agree to always keep those vows in mind as you continue your lives together as a family?
We do. We do.
We do. May you hold fast to each other to ride out the storms of life and watch your strength together grow. If you can just move apart but hold on to them.
Oh, I've done it.
Sam and Adrina have tied the knot! The peace of the running water to you. The peace of the flowing air to you. The peace of the quiet earth to you. The peace of the shining stars to you. And the love and the care of us all to you. Thank you so much, folks. Have a fabulous evening. But for now, it's my honour and my privilege to introduce you to the not so brand new Mr. and Mrs. Milne.
Lastly, I'd like to thank my beautiful wife. Emotional, not normal. You've put up with me for over 6 years now. It's a tough gig, but someone has to do it. There's not many brides that can squeeze back into their wedding dress after a child, but I'm sure everyone will agree you're shining this evening.